Hey guys, Mr. B here, bringing you another math video. This one on multiplying a trinomial by a trinomial. So first of all, trinomial has three terms, so it might be something like this. I'm just going to put it in brackets. So x squared plus 3x plus 2 times another trinomial, which of course has three terms as well, x squared plus x plus 5. So a trinomial times a trinomial. So if you watch my other videos on multiplying, say, binomial by a trinomial, this is very similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to think of this trinomial as one full thing. I don't have much space at the top of my screen here. And I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to go to the bottom. Normally I would go top, but I don't have a lot of space, so I'm going to go to the x squared. I'm going to take the entire thing and go to the x. And I'm going to take the entire thing and go to the 5. So what it ends up looks like I'm going to have x squared times my first trinomial, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then I'm going to have x times my first trinomial, x squared plus 3x plus 2. And then I'm going to have 5 times my first trinomial, x squared plus 3x plus 2. So really all I'm doing in essence is I'm taking my second trinomial and I'm writing that in front of my first trinomial 3 times, once for each thing. So it comes from the fact that I'm distributing this first bracket into the second thing that I have. So now I have to do distribution again. So I have to go through to each one of these just like that. So 1, 2, and then 3 times for each one. So 9 times in total now I'm going to distribute. So it can get a little messy, definitely room for error here. So x squared times x squared is x to the 4. X squared times 3x is plus 3x cubed. X squared times 2 is 2x squared. And then I have x times x squared is x cubed. Then x times 3x is 3x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Then I have 5 times x squared is 5x squared, plus 5 times 3x is 15x, and then 5 times 2 is 10. So we got a lot of like terms here that we need to combine. So the x to the 4 is not going to change, so let's just try to identify some of our like terms. So I got a cube here, and I got a cube here. So I'll do those now. So it's going to be 3x cubed plus x cubed is 4x cubed, and then I have 2x squared, 3x squared, and a 5x squared, so that's going to give me 6x, and then I add 5 onto that, that's 11x squared. 11x squared. So what else did I have? I have an x and an x, so that's 2x plus 15x is plus 17x, and then the only thing I got left is my lone little 10 hanging out here. And there we go, we've expanded those two trinomials and we ended up with this guy. So it's a long and complicated process, guys, really a lot of opportunity for mistakes, so make sure you take your time. Hope this video helps, and hopefully you can apply it to your own homework and in your writing your assessments. Good luck, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.